But if you want to combine two arrays in a single array, then that is possible, okay, using this spread operator. So let's see. So let's suppose this is one of the array I am having. Let's add some of the values here, integer values I am adding for now. Okay, this is array 2 we are having. This is another values, let's add here. Now let's create another array where I want to store both the values which are there in array 1 and array 2. So how we will going to do this? With the help of spread operator. So 3 dots are the identification for this spread operator. Let's add that array which you want to combine with the another array. Again we're going to use this spread operator, and here comes the array 2. Now you will see in this that all the values which are there in the 1, all values combined in this third array without affecting your original array, that is the array 1 and the array 2. If you print your array 1 and array 2, you will see that both the values will be there. So this is 1 2 3 4, and this is array 2 with 5 6 7 8. So this is the spread operator, which is very helpful, which will going to help you out in giving a copy of those values instead of modifying the original arrays or object or string and anything.